how to turn location services on or off on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your location settings in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Now, select Location Services at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the main location services toggle. To disable location access completely, simply turn the toggle off. A confirmation message may appear. If it does, tap Turn Off to confirm. Once disabled, apps and system services will no longer be able to access your location. If you want to enable location services again, return to the same menu and turn the toggle back on. After enabling it, you'll see a list of apps that have requested location access. You can tap on any app to customize its permission and choose options such as Never, Ask Next Time, while using the app. This gives you more control over which apps can access your location and when. And that's how to turn location services on or off on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and privacy guides.